Good morning, Eagles. I'm Natalia.
And I'm Trevor.
Today's Wednesday, February 10th, 2021. Congratulations to the February Students of the Month, Bea Sanders and Marquez Waller.
The senior class voted for superlatives over the past couple of weeks, and we will be announcing the results of one category each day. Today's announcement is for the winners of Most Likely to Say LOL When They're 50, Trevor Collins, LOL, and Kaylin Reed. Congratulations. Seniors, there's a new FAFSA challenge. From February 8th to 19th, you can submit your FAFSA and be entered in a drawing for one of 2 brand new bikes and helmets.
Seniors who have already submitted their FAFSA will automatically be entered. Please be sure to read your email from Miss Knight in regards to the drawing for prizes for the FAFSA challenge.
Also, seniors, Herff Jones visited Pine Forest Club Cap and Gown Days, but don't worry, you can still make your order online on the Herff Jones website.
Stay clean and wash your hands. Now for the weather.
Good morning, Eagles. Today is cloudy with a high 68 and a low 61 with a 9% chance of rain. I'm Matthew, and that's all for the weather. Back to you, anchors.
Seniors, it's now time to submit senior quotes for the yearbook. Last day to submit your senior quotes for the yearbook is this Friday, February 12th. Please make sure you submit your form on the Pine Forest yearbook page to be included. The $5 fee should also be paid to Ms. Gardner in room 424 by Friday, February 12th as well.
The ASVAB is being given for 10th, 11th, and 12th graders on February 16, 2021 at 8:30 a.m. Please sign up in guidance by February 12th.
Now for the sports.
Good morning, Eagles. Our boys weightlifting team is selling Pine Forest High School masks for $10. If you are interested, please see Coach Vandevort at the common tables in the morning or the weight room after school. Our boys basketball will have a district tournament at Choctaw at 6 p.m. today, February 10th. Our girls softball will have a home preseason game on February 11th and 12th at 4:30 and 6:30. Our boys and girls track team has a race this Saturday, February 13th at Fort Walton Beach High School. I'm Matthew, and that's all for Eagle Sports. Back to you, anchors.
Congratulations to our Cyber Patriot Team Eagle 1, Malcolm Cheney, Caleb Dick, Tabitha Jones, and Joseph Penzone for winning 3rd place in the state semifinals competition. Their hard work paid off, and as a result, they had some outstanding scores. We are very proud of you.
The Flight Deck Cafe will be open this Friday the 12th during lunches. This week's menu includes barbecue chicken panini and taco soup. The Flight Deck is cash only. If you are still interested in the robotics club, you can email Mr. Urim at aurim@ecsdfl.us.
Gaming Club is back in the library every Friday from 3:10 to 4:15. Masks are required. Email Mr. Lambert for more information at alambert@ecsdfl.us. I'm Trevor.
And I'm Natalia.
Signing off with Eagle Nation News. Make sure you're respectful,
responsible, and resilient.